Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear students, we already started the lesson Geographical Features and Prehistoric India. So we have learnt about the divisions of the Indian geography. Next we also studied about the prehistoric period. Now in today's class we will study about the changing environment. So it is said that 12,000 years back a major change took place or started to take place in the environment. When 12,000 years back, that means 10,000 BC. 12,000 means 10,000 BC plus AD 2000. So totally 12,000 years back. So changes took place in the environment. What happened? The temperature of the earth began to increase gradually. What happened? The temperature of the earth began to increase. What happened because of this temperature? That is, when the temperature of the earth increased, that is the grasslands were developed in many places. Grasslands were developed in many places. So the development of the grasslands in turn led to the increase of the birds and animals. So birds and animals began to multiply in unprecedented numbers. So this is the changes. Took place in the earth. The number of the birds and animals increased. So animals like deer, next goats, elks and others prospered in these grasslands, because you know that is the deer or the elks or even the goats. So they depend on the grasslands. So they use grass as the food. So hence when the grasslands increased, simultaneously these animals also increased. So humans, what they did, the humans who had been hunting these animals earlier now began to observe their nature, food habits and also the way how they multiplied. So what the man did, he began to observe its nature, whether the animals were cruel or they are smooth in nature. They began to observe, and also they noticed the food habits of this, what type of food these animals are getting. Next they also studied or observed the way how these animals multiplied. Over the period of time, what the man did is he captured these animals. Some of the animals which are having a smooth nature, he captured these animals and brought them up. They brought them up. So this is the way how the animal husbandry and the dairying started in this world. So how man began to observe and he chose some animals and started to grow them up. So this led to the starting of the animal husbandry. So like that, before it, man also learned to catch the fish in the streams and lakes. Man learned already about how to catch the fish in the streams and lakes. And here human beings, they noticed in the meantime that some grass bearing the grains and the cereals. So there are naturally grown, some plants were there. So these plants, some plants are they are giving or they are bearing, grains. So the man learned to use them as the grains and cereals. So he chose some of the grains like the rice, wheat, barley, and so he used this as the food. So man used some of the grains like rice, wheat, barley as food. So gradually what happened, that is that they learned to grow them. So he planted these plants and he started to grow them. So like this, the agriculture or the farming was started. So earlier we saw that is the animal husbandry and dairying started. So now what started, that is the farming or the agriculture started by these men. So about all these period or this age, so archaeologists, they call this age in different names. Let us see how they call these this full age in different names. See here, so this is the diagram showing the stages of the prehistoric period. So prehistoric period, mainly it is Stone Age. It is related to Stone Age. We have in the prehistoric period two ages, one Stone Age and the Metal Age. So earlier one is the Stone Age. So this Stone Age or the prehistoric age, so this is divided into three: Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. So prehistoric period or Stone Age, so this is divided into three: how? Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age. So this Old Stone Age, so it is prevailed 2 million years ago. So this is the oldest and it is stretched over a long duration, about 12,000 years. So till 12,000 years, so this is the period. So the duration of this Old Stone Age, that is the 2 million years. 1 million means 10 lakhs, it is 2 million. 2 million means how much? That is 20 lakh. 20 lakhs. So this is the duration of that is the Old Stone Age, 2 million years. So up to that is a 12,000 years, this period was stretched. So this long duration of the Old Stone Age, so this is again divided into three. The archaeologists divided the Old Stone Age into three, that is the early Old Stone Age, middle Old Stone Age and the late Old Stone Age. How? The Old Stone Age is divided into three: early Old Stone Age, middle Old Stone Age and late Old Stone Age. So this is the division of the Old Stone Age. So after this period, we have the Middle Stone Age. So after the Old Stone Age, this is the Middle Stone Age. So this Middle Stone Age prevailed in between 12,000 years to 10,000 years. 12,000 years to 10,000 years. So this is the period or age of, that is the Middle Stone Age. So the period from the 12,000 years to around 10,000 years. So this is called the Middle Stone Age. So the tools of this period are gradually, generally very small, and these are, hence these are called delicate stone tools. How? Delicate stone tools. So the stone implements or the stone tools of the period of Middle Stone Age, these are very small. So hence this is called delicate Stone Age or microliths. Microliths. They used to fix these stone tools with the handles made out of wood and that is bones. What they used as handles for these tools? Wood and bones. So wood and bones used as a handles to these stone tools. So like this, see here, so what is this? So this is axe. So this is the stone tool, and the hand, so this one is handle is, this is made out of wood or that is the bone. So like way they also they use those tools as axes and saws. ಕೊಡಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗರಗಸ. So ಶಿಲೆಯ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಗರಗಸ. So they used, that is the stone axes and that is the saw, and also other implements. So for this what they used handles, that is the bones and wood they used as handles. So along these new tools, or along these the delicate stone tools, the earlier stone tools also continued. Side by side, the people also used the earlier stone tools along with the new stone tools. Next, the third one is the new stone age. So after the middle stone age, it is the new stone age. New stone age, which one? The new stone age. So it began when? After 10,000 years. That means from here 10,000 year earlier. That means 8,000 BC. 8,000 BC. So this is the age period of, that is the new stone age. So during the new stone age, people started to use different tools than the earlier tools. So what different or what difference between the earlier delicate tools and the new stone age? That is, these tools of the new stone age, they are very bright and sharp edges. They had bright and sharp edges. So the tools of the new stone age, how were they? They had, that is a bright and sharp edges. And here people also used, that is grinding stones. What they used? Grinding stones. For what purpose? For grinding the leaves and herbs, ಗಿಡಮೂಲಿಕೆಗಳು, and also to grind the cereals, maybe the which one? Rice, wheat and barley. So people knew the what? Grinding stones. And archaeologists, they also found, that is some pots and pans. What? Pots and pans. Pots and pans. So some of these pots and pans are decorated one. They are decorated. So for what purpose they used the pots and pans? Mainly for cooking purposes. That you know. That is these pots were used for cooking rice, wheat or barley. For the cooking purpose they used the pots. And also the pots were also used for the purpose of, that is storing the grains. In order to store the grains, sangrahane, store the grains, they used these pots. One more new thing, that is this new stone age people knew, that is the art of weaving. The art of weaving. The people of the new stone age, they knew how to weave the clothes. So this is about that is the the different ages or the periods of the prehistoric period. So in this class, today's class, we have studied the changing environment. What happened? 12,000 years back, the environment began to change. Temperature increased. So that led to the increase of the animals, grasslands and birds. So man learned what? Animal husbandry and the agriculture. Agriculture and animal husbandry learned by the man during this period. So this total period was divided into mainly three, that is the Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age and the New Stone Age. Again this Old Stone Age is divided into how? Early Old Stone Age, Middle Old Stone Age and the Late Old Stone Age. So like that, so this is the division of the that is the entire prehistoric period. And also we have studied what were the changes during the Old Stone Age. Next, during the Middle Stone Age, the people used to use the delicate tools, and during the New Stone Age, what changes took place? People that is use the tools which were bright and having the sharp edges. Next, they used grinding stones. Next, they also made pots and pans. They also knew the art of, that is the weaving the cloth. So this is the end of this, the second lesson in history, which one is the geographical features and the prehistoric India. So there were questions were given at the end of this lesson. So you must write answer for these questions in the notebook. Sai Ram.